Hi everyone, this V.Z Pro 3 channel and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Instagram password using an iPhone. Whether you're looking to improve your security, update an old password, or reset it to something easier to remember. This guide has you covered step by step and in full detail. And don't worry, if you're not very tech-savvy, I'll keep everything easy to follow. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's get started. First things first, grab your iPhone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change the password. Once the app is open and you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page, where you can see your posts, bio, and settings. On your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu or settings icon. From this menu, tap on Account Center. Now, you'll see an option that says Password and Security. Tap on that. And then, tap Change Password. Tap on Change Password. If you're using one Meta account for multiple services like Facebook and Instagram, Instagram will ask you to choose the specific account where you want to change the password. Tap on your Instagram account. Now, you'll be prompted to enter 1. Your current password, 2. Your new password, 3. And then confirm the new password by typing it again. We start from entering the old password. And after that, create a new password. Make sure your new password is something strong and unique, consisting of 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. And last, confirm the newly created password. Once you've entered all the fields, tap Change Password at the bottom. That's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram password from your iPhone. Changing your Instagram password is quick, easy, and one of the best ways to keep your account secure. Make it a habit to update your password every few months and always use strong credentials. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tips like this. Drop a comment if you have any questions or need help with something else on Instagram. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.